Hey YouTube, not so Slim Jim, making a quick video. Hopefully I can help a few people out. So I use a power brake bleeder, which is basically just a pressurized reservoir you put onto your master cylinder and it helps bleed your brakes. Now I have a Schwaben one, which I made a video a few years ago showing how to put an O-ring inside of this guy on the inside because this plastic or the rubber ring doesn't seal very well for my Audi. And it uses this very niche 5mm metric mini quick disconnect. Now, I tried finding more of these, which it turns out there's only a few places in the US that you can get them, and they want 10 bucks a piece and another like $25, $30 for shipping. So I'm like, you know what, there's got to be an easier way. So I bought these two different ones. This one for my BMW, this one's for my BMW, this one's for my Ford. The BMW one came with another one of the 5mm mini connectors, while the Ford one came with, oddly enough, even though it's a domestic vehicle, a Japanese type air connector. I don't know why, but these are the two types of connectors that they use in brake bleeders. Don't ask me, this is how it works. So I wanted to be able to make it so I can use my one brake bleeder for both of them. So if you're coming across the point where you have a Schwaben or any type of brake bleeder that comes with the 5mm Europeo spec mini connector from the factory, what you can do is you can buy one of these Japanese type connector sets, male and female. I picked mine up on Amazon for 10 bucks. You take this guy off. They both use European threads. Instead of MPT, it's BPT or British Standard threads. It's a little loose, oddly enough, even though they're supposed to be the same thread. So I just put some thread tape and a little bit of thread locker to make sure she stays tight. And I just made an adapter. So this goes into the power booster, and then this goes poop onto this guy. And then where I took this off of the one for the BMW, I just cleaned it up a little bit, added some thread locker and a little bit of sealer on top to make sure she doesn't leak, and then put the adapter into this. And I have a spare set in case I need to do it again. So this way, if I have any additional ones I buy, because I don't necessarily need to buy a set for 100 and some bucks for all the different ones. If it comes with the mini, it's fine, it automatically works. If it comes with the Japanese style, I have the adapter and it only cost me $10. If you got questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comment section.